Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about Python language. So the first thing that we are going to talk is the print statement in Python. So let's get started. So in here I use VS Code for my code editor, and for now you can click over here to create a new file. So I will click it, and now I want to name it as print or hello world, like this, hello world .py. Also when you name your file with .py, it's refer to the Python language. As you can see, for now I have a Python file hello world.py, so I will use it. Alright, so the first statement that we are going to write is print. So the print function in Python is used to display anything that you want to show on the terminal. Let me show you. Print, also I write print and use this one, and inside the print we use double quote or single quotes also, or we can use triple quote like this. It's no problem. So I want to display hello world or anything I want. Hello world. So after we write the print hello here, let me save, and to execute the Python files you can go to click this play button. You see it is runs Python file. Also you can click over here and click run Python file here. So let's get started. Click. Okay, so when we click run Python file, we can see the words hello world on the terminal, as you can see here. So error change to hello John's. The Python is awesome programming language, and then we save it and click play button again or run Python file. Okay, you can see here the word